County in north-central Texas, southwestern Cooke County in north-central Texas, until 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Elmwood, or 12 miles north of Decatur, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and $half-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damaged roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Munster, Alvord, Lindsay, Sunset, Pressburg, and Valley View. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 488 and 491. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Tornadoes are extremely difficult